stuck in here. What is it?
Air filter.
Oh my! It's a simple one, right? Semi, compared with like other machines. Okay.
Start this thing up.
Okay. Here's the radio.
That guy wasn't going to screw up a second time. But he was like...
Tutorial again.
Yeah. So this is forward,
okay,
neutral, reverse.
Okay, 3 sets.
Okay, these are your gears. We're going to get them set.
Okay.
This is your button to put your mower up and down.
Level?
Yeah, you got that thing set right there.
Yep.
See where that says E? You've got to run the motor. This is the motor
right,
speed. You got to run it to at least E.
To hold.
This is for your air conditioner. You turn it higher or lower.
Yeah,
But you know, you can get cold.
okay.
Right?
That's the start the mower?
Yeah.
Okay.
See where I got it?
Nice.
Right in the middle of 4. That looks good.
Alright.
Alright?
Awesome.
And then you run at least, you can run it faster, but you gotta run at least to the E.
Okay, at least to the end. Alright, this is perfect for me.
So when you get to the end and you gotta turn around, pick this up, pull this back,
Okay.
pick the mower up, turn around, and then put it back down.
Okay.
To the middle of 4.
But I don't need to press anything to do that.
Now, if you need to stop for some reason, just hit that in the middle and press your brake.
Okay. Neutral, that is.
Right, you just put that there, I'm saying.
Yeah. Is that the fastest?
No, that's the height.
Okay, that's the height.
Don't forget that, that's important.
Okay.
Alright, so when we get down here to the end now, right?
Yeah.
Just
We're
pull this
lifting
back,
up.
lift it, go as far as you can, lift it,
Yeah.
turn. Now here, I'll come over here, line it up, and then put it right back down the floor. Tell me when you think you want to try.
I can try. Ready?
Put it in the lower gear for you.
Sure.
Just
Yeah.
when you get in there, give yourself enough room to make a turn, okay?
Okay. radio said. Hi y'all. So this is how I started my morning today. Okay, here we go. Can you see the swirling on the right? That because I was filming, I was driving with either one hand or no hands. I looked back and that's why it's swirling. But overall, I haven't crashed into anything. Well, there's nowhere to crash into, but overall, I haven't screamed, so I guess it's fine. There's only just a little patch in there. As long as I finish over here, then I'll be good. Hello! I'm the new tractor driver. I gotta tell myself, you're doing a good job. Okay. Alright, let's get on it. Good practice driving license. John Deere. This is the brand we use here. I just followed the grass line over here. I hope you can see the difference on what I've done and what I haven't. The birds are all over me. Just flying around. See all the birds? Driving automatically. No, just kidding. Here's the radio. Here's the AC. And here's me.
We got a couple of new albums out there today too from some names you'll probably recognize, like Brian, for example.
It's a nice tour for the nursery. Overall, I feel more comfortable now. Oh, well, I'm going on a low speed, so I'm fine. And I feel more comfortable driving, so practice makes better. Then we only have a little piece of land left. Maybe just drive it over here and just land over here. Then we'll be done for this time. I remember this morning when I first got to drive this, I was a bit nervous. Yeah. By this point, I feel very much relaxed, but still, like, you gotta be careful on this big machine. Start to get a little bored, especially when the reception is not good. There's no radio or music, but it's fine. It's fine, just some chill time. Still driving. Let me show you the inside of this tractor. This is where I'm sitting. Then we have all this stuff here. Alright, here's the last little bit of the land that we're gonna mow, and then we'll be done for today, maybe. Yeah. It has been 3 hours. I feel like I'm a bus driver now. I'm doing circles. So we worked on all this today. We're done for today. Let's see if we can get out here. Okay. Alright. Ah!
You have to push it through.
Okay. Maybe I didn't pull tight
You feel
enough.
more comfortable after a while?
Oh yeah. 4 hours.
Is that
something
how
like
long?
that. Something like that.
Was it okay?
It's hot out here.
It's not hot in there?
No.
Did you run the video at all?
Yep. Yep, I did. Sure did. It is hot out here.